So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see how we check the number is prime or not in Java. Okay, so let's start. So when the number is called as the prime number, okay, if any number gets completely divisible by 1 and itself means but that number only, that in that case we called as that number prime. Completely divisible means what? So let's say example we can take as 3. Okay, 3, if we divide 3 by 1, so the answer will be 3. Okay, and the remainder will be 0. Okay, so completely divisible means the remainder gets 0. Okay, the number itself. Okay, so 3 divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. So it is also completely divisible by its own and by 1. Then the number is called as the prime number. So 3 is the prime number. Now let's check for another number. Let's say 4. Okay, then check for 1. Okay, it is divided by 1 or not. Is divisible by 1. Then check for the other numbers. Is 4 is divided by other numbers or not? Let's check. Is 4 is divisible by 2? 4. Yes, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2, then the 4 is not a prime number. Okay, the number should only divisible by 1 and its own, means if it only divisible by 4 and 1, then we called as the prime number. But it is also divisible by 2 completely, that's why 4 is not a prime number. In Java, implement in code, so let's check. So for that we run a loop for int I is equal to 2 to I should equal to n minus 1. Okay, means that number, and if that number is completely divisible by 0, then it is not a prime number, then we return false. Okay, and else we return true. Let's check in our demonstration how we can implement the code. Okay, so I have created a class called demo, and in that I am creating a function public static boolean. The return type will be boolean because we have to return either true or either false. So that's why the return type is boolean, and the function name is prime. Okay, so in that I have to pass a number. Actually the number is prime. Okay, so is prime is equal to true, and here we run a loop for int I is equal to 2 to I should less than or equal to n minus 1, and here I will update it. If number is divisible by any number here, then then this prime will be false, means that number will be not a prime number. After that we have to not check for any other. If one time the number is completely divisible by the other number, then simply we break the loop. The number is not a prime number then. Now create the main function. And from here we have to call the uh, function. The To call the function we have to call the function name. So here the function name is prime. So prime and the number. So let's check for the 3. 3 is prime or not. So let's check the output. The output is true, means the 3 is prime number. Let's check for 4. Okay, it is a prime number or not. So let's run the code. Now the output will be false. Okay, so this way we can create the function for checking the prime number. So thank you for watching this video.